Coach AB. Hey, I'm keeping it PG-13 today, you feel me? You can ride my ATV. The ATV I got. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, JJ. Come on, JJ. Still already got his shirt off. Coach still ready to. Come on, y'all boys. Come on, JJ. Come on, JJ. Come on, JJ. Let's get it. Push. Come on. Let's go, JJ. Come on. Come on, Fernando. Light. Come on. Let's go, Danny. Through. Kobe, hey, Kobe.
Can't say that I'm gonna have integrity in basketball, but then not have it in, relationships, or not have it with teachers, or not have it with homework. Obviously, I'm not saying we're all gonna be perfect. I'm not gonna be perfect, nothing like that. But remember little things like that when you're gonna try to have integrity in something specific. Try to have it in school too. I would like to challenge you guys.
1, 2, 3. Work.